In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to brute force the password on a website login. Now, what you're going to need for this is Firefox. It can just be a portable installation or something like that. And you're going to need OWASP ZAP, and you're going to need a password list. Now, you can get all of these for free. Now, we can just get on Google and type in Firefox Portable. Here we go, click that first link. It's going to start downloading. And there you go. Next, you're going to need OWASP ZAP. Again, first link, click download. You're going to need probably one of these two. If not, you know which one. Just click download. It's going to start downloading down here and run it whenever it's done. Lastly, you're going to need a password list. First link, look through all of these, find out which one you want, download it, you're good to go. Okay, so now that you've downloaded everything, go ahead and open up Firefox. The next thing you want to do is go up in the top right, click this button, go down to Options, go over to Advanced, go to Settings, and make sure you have this. You're going to have a manual proxy, 127.0.0.1, port 8080, and click OK. Now, go ahead and open up OWASP ZAP. Whenever this opens, it's going to ask you if you want to persist the session. This basically means, do you want to be able to save this or not? So go ahead and click yes, and click start. Okay, so what we just did with that proxy over here, we made it to where anything we do on Firefox gets sent to this program over here. As you can see, this area down here is empty. So now go over to whatever website it is that you're wanting to get into. I'm going to go here, I'm going to click on sign in, and here we are. So now if we go back over to Zap, we have all of that being logged right here. And that's good because we can change it. For example, let's go back over to Firefox and type in whatever username you need to get into. Say you forgot your password or whatever. And for the password, you're just going to put something that you can remember. Like, I'm just going to put Fallen Archangel. Go ahead and press Login. Now, of course, that's not the right username and password. But now if we go over here, we can see that's right here. You're going to find whichever request has what you just typed in. Now, usually this will say post over here instead of get. It just depends on what type of website it is. But either way, you can see right here we have administrator and we have Fallen Archangel. So this is the one we're looking for. So go ahead and click it and then go up here to request. As you can see, here it is again, administrator, Fallen Archangel. And if yours does say post, it's probably going to be down here somewhere. It'll have some extra information. So now that we've found which request we need to right click it, go to attack, and then go over to fuzz. Now find wherever you typed in your password. Like I just typed in Fallen Archangel, so mine's right here. Go ahead and select that. Go over here on the top right and click add. Go ahead and click add again. This is our payload. There's all the different types of fuzzing you can do. For us, we're just going to click File. Now on Select, we're going to find the password list we just downloaded. Now the one I'm using, I just put it in my desktop, and it's just called Password List. So click Open. This is going to have a preview of all the passwords inside of that list. Now this is just an example. Most password lists have hundreds of thousands of passwords in them. So once you've added that here, just click Add, and then click OK. Now once you click Start Fuzzer, it's going to use whichever username you typed in the beginning, like I used administrator, except for password, it's going to go through every single password in that list. Going to click Start. Now as you can see, it tried every single password over here. Now, I know for a fact one of these passwords is in there. Yours probably will be too. If you have a list with 15 billion passwords in it, one of them has to be right. So now I have to figure out which one of these is the right password. A good, easy way to do this is by looking at the size of your response. If you noticed all of these say 2,542, well, that means they're probably all the same. They're probably all saying, hey, this is the wrong password, this is also the wrong password, this is also the wrong password. But if we look down here, this one's 4,000 bytes, meaning this one is probably the correct password. Now, of course, this one also says reflected, reflected, medium. Those are also good identifiers if this doesn't work, but this is usually your best bet. So this one shows secret over here. So let's check if that works. And there you go. That is the correct password.